Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will like to show you the way how to do autofills for selected cells on your spreadsheet by mobile phone. So here I already got the documents and I will let you get the number informations of here. So if you still like adding the number by just typing manually like 1 and then 2, 3 and so on and so on, it will take a lot of time and energy if you work with a bunch of data. So if you want to do a quick work, you just need to do this instead. Go click the cells that you want to fill, and here I already type 1, 2 and 3, so you just need to drag the whole cells, and right after that you just need to go click the cells, and there will be like pop up the options right here, and then you just need to go click this autofill, and it will be automatically filled with the ordinary number right here. So it's so simple and easy, right? So you just need to like block all of the cells and click it, and there will be an autofill options pop up into your screen. So that is the way, guys, how to do an autofill on your selected cells on your spreadsheet by mobile phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial. Bye bye.